Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to publish SEO friendly blogs right inside Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just starting to build your own brand, blogging can seriously help your store get found on Google and also bring in the right kind of visitors. Now before we dive in, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, click the link in the description below to access Shopify's $1 per month for 3 months promo. It's a super affordable way to get your store up and running, especially if you're just getting started. All right, let's get into it. So first, what's the point of writing blog posts for Shopify store? Well, it's simple. Blogs help you bring organic traffic to your site. So every time you write a blog that answers a question, solves a problem, or introduces your products in a helpful way, Google picks that up. It's like leaving a little signpost all over the internet that point back to your store. So if you're selling clothing like I am, you could blog about fashion trends, how to style different pieces, or seasonal lookbooks. And if you're selling candles, blog about self-care routines, gift guides, or how scent affects mood. It gives your brand personality and builds trust over time. So now that we understand the value, let me show you exactly how to publish one step by step. Okay, to start, go to the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard, look for the tab that says Content and click that. And once you're in, you'll see blog posts underneath. Click there. And once you're in the blog post section, click Create Blog Post. Now this section might feel familiar. It looks a bit like the product page editor, but instead of adding items for sale, we're going to create a blog post. Now let's give our blog a title. So this should be related to your niche and something people might actually search for. Since it's June right now and I'm running a clothing store, I'm going to type best women's clothes for summer. And right below the title, you see the content editor. So this is where your blog content goes. Now, ideally, you'd spend time writing something thoughtful here. So something that really speaks to your audience. But for this tutorial, we're going to try something faster. So Shopify actually has AI tools built right in that can help generate content for you. So to use it, look for the sparkle icon. That's the AI writing tool. So click it. And then it will automatically pull in the blog title that we just wrote and use it to generate content. You can also choose a tone of voice. So Shopify gives you options like expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuasive, and supportive. But for this demo, I'll choose playful because I want this blog to sound light, fun, and casual, not too serious. So once you've selected your tone, go ahead and click generate. If it doesn't load the first time, don't worry, just click generate again until you're happy with what it gives you. And when the content is ready, click keep to use it. And now you'll see the content appear in your blog editor. So the tone is playful, the language is light, and while it's not perfect, it gives you a strong starting point. You can always go in and tweak anything that you want to personalize it further. Next, let's go down to the excerpt section. So this is like a short summary of your post, so it usually shows up on your blog homepage or under your featured posts list. So click the pen icon to edit it, and just type a quick catchy version of what your post is about. So think of this as your teaser line. And below that, you'll see the search engine listing preview. This is very important because in here you can customize how your blog post will appear on Google. Update the page title to something interesting that includes your keywords. Then write a meta description, something short and clickable that encourage people to visit your blog. And try to make it under 160 characters so it doesn't get cut off. You can also change the URL handle to something clean and easy to remember. So let's talk about visibility. So scroll back up and on the right hand side, you'll see a section called visibility. So make sure this is set to visible because this means that your blog will be live and viewable once you publish it. And if you're still working on the blog and not ready to show it, you can select hidden. But for now, we want to make it live. And right below that, you can add a featured image for your blog. So this is the image that shows up as a preview, both on your site and sometimes on your social media. So choose something eye-catching that matches your post. You can also update the author name, either use your name or a brand voice, depending on your style. So for the blog category, select news if you haven't created any custom blog sections yet. And down at the bottom, feel free to add tags to help organize your posts. So for the theme template, we'll keep it set to default blog post for now. And once everything looks good, click save at the top or bottom right of your screen. Our blog post is live, let's make sure it actually shows up on your site. So go back to online store and click on themes. And next to your live theme, click customize. And once you're inside the theme editor, click the drop down at the top of the screen that currently says homepage. Then select blog post, and under that, choose default blog post. In here, you see the live preview of your blog, including the featured image and layout. And also, if you want to get creative, you can customize the layout on the left-hand side. So for example, you could add a featured collection section underneath the blog to promote related products. So let's try that. Click add section and choose featured collection. And then select one of your collections. And there you go. Now your blog is not only informative, it's helping drive product sales too. And once you're happy with the layout, click save in the top right corner. Okay, so one more step. We want your visitors to actually find your blog from the menu. So to do that, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on content. Click menus and then click main menu. And now let's add a new menu item. So for the label, you can call it news, blog, tips, or anything that you want. But I'm going to call mine news. Then for the link, click on blog posts and select the blog that we just created. Click add, then click save. And now let's preview everything. So head back to the themes page, click view store, and at the top menu, you'll now see news. So click it and boom, that's our blog post. Live in your store, fully optimized for SEO, and ready to bring in traffic. And that's it. That's how you publish SEO-friendly blogs inside Shopify.